Welcome to UX Design Savvy. I'm Sammy, and today I'm going to teach you how to create hover effects in Figma. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate what you see here on the screen. This is a hover effect I created for my blog post. Feel free to dig a little deeper and see those steps outlined in my blog post. I have it linked below. But we're going to go ahead and start from scratch. So I'm going to scroll down here, and I like to go ahead and use my shortcut. So I'll just hit R on my keyboard, but you can always select it from this menu as well. Drag out your rectangle shape. We'll go ahead and add corners, rounded corners. And then I'm going to add an image. So I like to use the plugin Unsplash for that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just say animal, and we'll just add this cute little giraffe here. Let me go ahead and make that a little bigger. Okay, again, I encourage you to use your shortcuts, but I'm going to go ahead and just create a component by selecting this button at the top of the screen. So now that I have the component created, I'll go ahead and give it a name. We're just going to call it Hover G. Okay, so here's our component. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a second variant to that component, and this is the one we're going to modify to add some effects to go ahead and prototype a hover effect. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and add some opacity to the image. So if I double click that image, here's my image. I'm going to go ahead and just say 64%. So you can see that changed. We're going to go ahead and add a stroke as well. So we'll do that to the outside. We'll say 2 for the size. And then I'll just kind of change the gradient to a gradient here. I'm just using black, for example. And I'll still the button I have up here. I'm just going to paste it into the middle, go ahead and center it there. And so this allows us, when we prototype it, it'll show the hover effect. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll switch to prototype. You can do Shift D on your keyboard to switch from design to prototype. And I'm going to go ahead and drag the prototype noodle from the first variant to the second variant. And we'll choose while hovering. Make sure it says change to here. And then instead of instant, I'm going to say smart animate. You can play around with this. I encourage you to find something that works, that kind of gives you the effect you're looking for. So we'll say smart animate. Ease out at 300 milliseconds is good. So I'll close that. Next, we're going to want an instance. Since this is a component, we want an instance of that component. So I'll go over here to assets, and I'll just say insert instance. Go ahead and drag it over to the right. Okay. This is going to be our flow starting point. Okay. And so now we're just going to go ahead and view it in this prototyping window and see that effect in action. As you hover over it, see how it changes. All right, that's it. That's our hover effect. Now you know, you've seen it. It's your turn. Give it a try and get savvy.